Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Danish, and today we will be answering question tutorial 1, number 7. Okay, so in the question, we are given V final, which is 89.5 km per hour, and then V average, which is 77.8 km per hour, and time that the person stops, which is 22 minutes. Then we can convert it to hour.
Okay, for the first question, how much time is spent on the trip? So, to know how much time you spend on the trip, it basically asks us for the total time. So, how to find it? First, we need to know the T1, which is time spent traveling at V equal to 89.5 plus 22 minutes, which is the time taken for you to rest. Okay, so first we need to convert it to hour, and it will become 0.367 hours. And then we need to find the T1. To find it, we need to use this equation, which is delta x equal to V average times T total equal to V1 and T1. From the data, we know that 77.8 is the average velocity, and time total is this, which is the same as that. And then V1, which is final velocity, is 89.5 times T1. So after calculating, we get that T1 equal to 2.44 hours. So time total is 2.44 hours, which is T1, plus 0.367 hours, which is time taken for him to rest, and we left with 2.81 hours.
Next, for question B, we have to find the change of x, which is the total distance traveled by the vehicle. To do this, we need to find the change of x, which is equals to the formula, the average velocity times the total time. Then from the question, we are given and we are noted that the average velocity is 77.8 kilometers per hour. And from the answer we obtained from question A, we can determine that the total time is equals to 2.81 hours. Or, yeah, 2.81 hours. So, with these two information obtained, by multiplying it together, we can, the result we obtained is 219 kilometers.
Okay, for the part of Islamization, the situation from the question teaches us to be a good planner. The action of the person who take a rest of 22 minutes from the travel is considered as a good action, since he tries to avoid himself from involved in any unwanted incident. Allah has mentioned in many verses of Quran that Allah gives the opportunity to human to do good things or right things, and every simple choice that human make will always affect their life. Furthermore, we must hope for the best from Allah based on the Surah Al-Anfal ayat 30. But they plan, and Allah plans, and Allah is the best of planners. And that shows that apart from doing effort on something, it also must be followed with doa too, to hope for a guidance and trust of Allah will aid us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Travel by the car from point A to point B.
Nah, habis.
Yeah.